Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this Hikeren cordless vacuum cleaner. Got this on Amazon. Let's see. Got your normal books. Normal books and stuff. Alright. That. I'll plug them to the side. Let's get into it. First thing we see is a hose attachment. Not bad. I'll plug that to the side. Next thing we see a long hose attachment. Okay. Set that aside. And then next we have the carrying case for it. Normal branding. And what else we have? The short nose one to clean into tight spaces. Oh, got something else before we pull out the vacuum. Oh, this is the AC adapter charger. Ooh, and here she is. I got this mainly for my car and my room. We're gonna test her out, hopefully do a review. Alright. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Y'all have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hold on, let's pull it out. Oh, I have to turn it on, but I have to take this tape off. Let's see it. Oh snap, what was that? Is that supposed to be on there or no? Let me see if this is supposed to be on there. Okay, I can get up. Alright guys, that's the test run. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Have a blessed day. Bye.